About 99% of students got this simple algebraic expression wrong because of this common mistake here. Now we have into 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 minus 8 into 5 plus 1. Now, most students consider this first here multiplication. They have into 6 divided by 2 times 3, that gives 6. Then minus 8 into 5 plus 1. And right here, they continue with this 6 divided by 6, that gives 1, minus 8 into 5 plus 1. Then at this very point, they consider this and they have 1 minus 8 multiplied by 6, 5 times 5 plus 1, that gives 6. Then right here, they consider this subtraction here. 1 minus 8, that gives minus 7 multiplied by 6. Then lastly, we consider this multiplication. Minus 7 times 6, that gives minus 42. But this answer is wrong. Therefore, this first approach is completely wrong. Don't make this mistake here. Now, to get this correctly, we are going to have this into 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 minus 8 into 5 plus 1. Then right here, we are going to follow this other operation, PEMDAS. Now here, multiplication and division have the same precedence, and addition and subtraction have the same precedence here. Now, following this principle here, first we are going to consider the parentheses right here. That simply means you are going to simplify the terms inside this parentheses first. Now we consider this. Now we are going to have here, we are going to consider division first, because division is of higher priority than the multiplication. When as such, we have here into 6 divided by 2, that gives 3, multiplied by 3 minus 8. Then right here we have multiplication 5 times 5 plus 1, that gives us 6. Now here we simplify this further. 3 times 3, that gives us 9, minus here 8 times 6, that gives us 48. Then lastly, we consider subtraction. 9 minus 48, that will give us minus 39. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.